Find the standard equation with vertex at the origin and latus rectum having endpoints at 3, 6, and 3, negative 6. So our vertex is at 0, 0, since ang vertex is at the origin. And the endpoints of the latus rectum is 3, 6, and 3, negative 6. So the latus rectum is the segment that passes through the focus and it is parallel to our directrix. So if this is the vertex at 0, 0, so 0, 0 niya itong vertex. Then, our endpoints sa parabola na to is 3, 6, 1, 2, 3. So, somewhere here. And then 3, negative 6. So, somewhere. Tapos na siya dito dapat. So, here. So, this is the latus rectum. Remember that our latus rectum is equal to 4C. So, we're expecting na tatong parabola will be opening to the right. Okay, so by the way, the latus rectum, ang iyang endpoints ana, diba, on the parabola, ang ilahang midpoint ana is the focus. Naman sa tunga-tunga ang focus. So, we could determine the focus of our parabola by just using the midpoint formula na gamito nato ang atong endpoint sa latus rectum. Now, the endpoints of the latus rectum are 3, 6, and 3, negative 6. So you will just add all the x and divide it by 2. So 3 plus 3 is 6, divide 2 is 3. And then also the y's, which is 6 and negative 6. So 6 plus negative 6 is 0. 0 divided 2 is 0. So our focus is at 3 and 0. Now we have the focus. We could determine the value of C. Our axis of symmetry is horizontal. So that is y, which is equal to the k of our vertex, which is 0. So ang atong buhaton to determine C, just subtract all the, since pareha man ang y coordinates sa vertex o sa focus, which is 0, 0, so subtract ang ilang x coordinates sa focus and vertex. So 3 minus 0. So 3 minus 0, so C is equal to 3. So, ang direction sa to ang take note our C is positive. And then the direction para makuha itong directrix is to the left. So, mag-subtract ta sa asaman, sa H na to. Since nag-plus man ta diri, vertex plus C is the focus. So, vertex minus C is the directrix. So, H is 0 minus 3. Okay, diri man na side, mag-minus ta. So, 0 minus 3 is equal to negative 3. So, our x is equal to negative 3. Okay, so we have our h, which is equal to 0, our k is equal to 0, and c is equal to 3. And our parabola is opening to the right, so we will use this equation. Y minus k squared is equal to negative 4c times the quantity of x minus h. So that's y minus 0 squared equals 4 times 3 ang atong c times the quantity of x minus 0. So y squared is equal to 12x. Okay.